Driver's gonna go down and then the passenger's gonna follow. Hi guys.
Hey.
So we have left Easter Jeep Safari 2025. Jared has to work on Monday, and then we got to go to the Moore Expo to be storytellers. So we are trying to get camp in the San Rafael Swell. We were on our way to a trail called Eagles Canyon, where you can drive under a bridge or at least go see the bridge. But I spotted a trail that is called Locomotive Point. We have no idea what it's about, although we assume, because it's called Locomotive Point, that it has something to do with trains. We are currently dealing with rain that is starting to freeze on dirt with the trailer behind us.
Yep.
Can't see it, but it's back there. There.
Yeah, it's rolling around with us.
Yep.
Or hopefully it stays with us.
Yeah. So we are going to go check this out and see what this is all about. Woo-hoo. So I guess we're gonna see if we fit in this.
We're good on height.
Okay, well, we're good on width too.
Well, it doesn't get a whole lot shorter.
Oh. Should I just get out and walk?
This is sewage.
No, it's not.
So what's that?
I don't know.
It's a Mario tunnel in the wall. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Unless it gets way short here, which doesn't look like it does, we got it in the shade.
Oh, it's starting to snow.
All right, we are at Swassey's cabin.
In the snow.
In the snow. I don't get it. We're just got to be cursed with the bad weather. Old timber roof.
Old door.
Whoa.
Old door.
Uh-huh.
Someone's parked or wood. Stop.
Leave it alone, dude. Pretty neat. Little cabin, though.
You gotta look through your camera, otherwise you can't see what you're
Yeah.
looking at.
Yeah. No, it's pretty neat, though. I mean,
It's information.
it's actually in pretty solid shape for...
Unless it's been, like, maintained or something.
I see they put cloth on the
Yeah.
roof. But still, that's... It just shows, you know.
People lived back in the day.
Well, they didn't live in this, I don't think. This is like a cabin, you know.
Well, they may have lived in here.
I mean, it's like 30 degrees warmer in here, it seems like, because the wind can't get you right now. Yeah. We were sweating in Moab at 70. Well, I guess it was even probably 80.
No, it was like 69.
Well, either way, it was great. And we drove an hour and a half away.
Yeah.
Hour and a half away. Snow.
No,
Don't much appreciate.
I don't know what we're doing wrong.
It's the Iowa curse.
That's the Iowa curse.
Because we came to the desert.
Yeah. We came to the desert. What kind of crap is this? It is pretty neat, though. I mean, out in the desert, seeing the snow instead of just Iowa and,
No, it's
you know.
not. It's bull crap. It's bull crap. I
Yeah.
don't want it.
But either way, we're going to venture back out of the Jeep.
More passion.
Oh.
More power. More footwork. More footwork.
She gone. I guess we conclude this.
Yeah, not really.
Are you running? Fine. Me too.
So we are on Eagle Canyon. We thought we were gonna do this with the trailer, but being we're not going very fast, the Mickeys are not cleaning very well, so Jared is going to try and back the trailer up this way so we can turn around, because while this isn't a shelf road, there is the bottom of the canyon down there that we have to pretty much follow this whole way. Oh, this stuff is sticky.